Hello viewers, welcome back. My wife sent me with her phone and a camera, and I'm heading back to Doug's shop to film some cool race car stuff. I believe today we're going to work on a 4-cylinder modified chassis that was rolled over at North Central. So let's get to it.
Now his contact with the 119 of Backstrom and airborne. Oh, red flag out. Jones upside down on the front straightaway. Word from the track crew, Bill is okay.
So this is the car. See, Doug has cut the frame out of it. It was connected right there. Right here. Right there. Obviously, right here. And Doug's already ground it. This is the old cross member that was bent, and it'll be replaced. So you built this car 2 years ago or last year? I can't remember.
23.
2023?
Sound right.
So I mean, if you had to guess, how long did that take you to cut off?
Half hour.
Yeah.
They come apart pretty quick.
It's just all the putting it back together stuff, right?
Yep. Turn on the jig.
And you know what else I wanted to ask you? Do you have the new cross member welded up?
Nope, not yet.
Do you have it cut out?
Yep.
Okay. So this car is getting a Wasota approved cross member that Doug makes in-house. And it'll replace this thing right here. And I've been telling you that we got to get the cutting table on camera, because that's pretty cool. People can just watch that for hours at a time, you know?
Yep, you bet.
All right. So these are pieces of steel. Doug cut these out, and he is going to build a Wasota approved Pinto front cross section to put onto that car. So we'll let you watch Doug tack this up. Alright, so this thing's welded up. You see it says Wasoda. So next step of this process for that Wasoda Mod 4 is bring the jig in here. And so we'll go get her. Alright, here's where the chassis jig lives during the non-chassis building season. So let's get her out of here. Doug, thanks for letting us video this stuff. It's pretty cool. A lot of race cars have been built on that thing. Pretty cool behind the scenes stuff that you don't always get to see. I mean, that fits pretty dang good.
Yeah, we cut that.
Right on the jig. This is the part. So looking at it from what you just saw, that's the bar. See, she's a little bit bent. But he built this car on that same jig, and that new piece is going on perfect. Try to bend up some radiator mounts one-handed. Don't tell Doug. It's a pretty cool setup. Don't put your finger under there. One extra squeak for good measure. There you go. Radiator mount. Cut out on the table. Made in America. Is that true, Doug?
I'm sure. I don't know.
Well, that's how many man hours of work is this, Doug? Like 28 hours?
26.
26 hours of work so far. Don't believe the time-lapse video. Coming together pretty good. Like I was saying, this car was built on this jig, so that was a pretty cool shot when that tube went in, like slid right in. We should have got that on camera better, huh, Doug?
Yeah.
Well, we'll see if this thing can come off the jig on the next video. Because if you like this video, we'll make more. Right, Doug?
Right.
Okay. All right. Well, thanks, Doug, for letting us bother you.
Yep.